Innovation isn't something that comes on a whim. It's powered by a need, a calling to work better, harder, and faster, to not compromise on quality, but actually strive to reach it sooner. At Steelcon, we're bringing innovation to North America with cost-efficient advancements in technology and processes. Since 2002, we've built a reputation of integrity with developers and engineers across the country. Our 265,000 square feet of facilities across multiple sites in Brampton and St. Catharines feature state-of-the-art technology that's automated to streamline the fabrication process. From robotic steel beam assemblers and plate processors to Python X and plasma cutters, all of our equipment is designed to be pinpoint precise, fast, and 100% error-free. We offer turnkey solutions and services, backed by a workforce of over 150 experts. Whether you need a partner in design or fabrication, or all the way through to installation, Steelcon is here for you. With innovation comes transformation, and nothing is transforming the industry like Syn Beam. The Syn Beam is a corrugated web steel beam. Its structure is revolutionary and is designed with efficiency in mind. It's lighter and just as strong as conventional wide flange beams, using up to 30% less material. Because of this, and our fully automated line of production, Syn Beam reduces the cost of steel beams and eliminates mill rolling wait times without compromising on quality or strength. The Syn Beam is versatile and customizable. It can be used anywhere you would use a wide flange steel beam, truss, or joist girder. It's the only beam of its kind in North America and exclusive to Steelcon. With a ULC rating, Canadian Welding Bureau certification, and compliance with the Canadian Standards Association, you can trust Syn Beam to support your structures and your business. At Steelcon, innovation isn't just a word we use. It's the air we breathe. Everything we do to make your job easier. With us, you get more than steel. You get a leading partner with unparalleled service. We handle everything from small to large-scale and complex projects. So whatever your industry, whatever it is you're constructing, we'll help you accelerate your timelines and meet your budget. If you ask us to bring forward the steel you need when you need it, consider it done.